Okay, guys, so we are here. It's a tornado watch right now. We're going to do some storm chasing.
Hell yeah.
And it is a tornado watch. I mean, not a tornado watch. A tornado warning will come back.
Yeah, and then we'll sit on the porch.
Yeah, we'll sit on the porch and watch. But it hasn't started raining yet. It's supposed to be a tornado watch. If it starts hailing, then we should start making our way back because I know a little bit about tornadoes.
And the sky isn't green yet.
Let's go.
And the sky isn't green yet.
I know a little bit about tornadoes. If it starts hailing, then that means that a tornado might start because tornadoes are often a common. Yeah. Tornadoes are usually I'm trying to talk. Hail is usually a sign that there's going to be a tornado. Bella, stop. Okay, so we're going to start going this way first. So, I don't know, we're just going to bike around. The sky looks darker that way. What? Look. You have to go fast. The sky is darker in this area. Let's pull over in a second, but not yet. Yeah, I don't know how humid it is. It was 81 degrees today. So heat, wind, and humidity. I don't know. I don't know what the chances are. If the sky turns green, we're for sure going back. Hey, pull over for a second, Bella. Go over. Yep. Poor Bella doesn't have any brakes. Okay. Keep going. So pull over. Okay. Because I want to listen. So.
See, all the grass is here from the control.
Okay, you guys can't see that, can you?
Wait, did it just start?
What?
Tornado warning?
Nope, it didn't go off yet. Severe weather alert. Yep. Severe weather alert. Tornado watch until 10 p.m. Okay, close. It's 87 degrees, wind speed 19, humidity 55%. Okay, it doesn't look bad right now, but I'll take off my helmet. Okay, so Bella's looking at the weather right now, the radar. Oh, look at the radar, Bella.
Alright, it says tornado watch.
Wait, like tap on it. I know it's a tornado watch, but tap on it. Come on, yeah. Wait, Bella, give me.
Tornado watch.
Tornado watch. You guys can see that? Okay. So let's look at the map. Let's try to find the other map.
I want to see some supercell clouds before it starts.
Come on, get away, bug. Hold on.
The bugs are coming. They're trying to leave. They're standing in the arena.
Okay, here's your phone back. Okay, let's go.
If my phone dies...
Oh no, we'd be screwed if... What if all of our electronics died? We'd be screwed.
We would be screwed. We would have to be stripping.
Yeah. If all of our electronics died, that would be bad. That would be really bad because we wouldn't know. Because yeah, it's done. Last time it did some decent destruction. The hail broke someone's car. It knocked a tree over. I mean, that was just probably like an EF2. We don't get that many bad storms here in Wisconsin. But poor Oklahoma. Okay, you felt the raindrop. I felt the raindrop, Bella. Let's go, let's go. I felt the raindrop. There's another. Yes, it's gonna start raining. It's gonna start raining. Yeah. Felt the raindrop. And yeah. Woo. Okay, Bella, come on, follow me. Yep, I just felt another. Yeah, it's gonna start raining. If anything bad happens, we'll go to a building. I'll text my dad. I don't have money though. Anyway. Yeah. There's a tornado watch. They'll probably lock the doors. Yeah. Wind's starting to pick up. I don't know. I don't know how fast it's going. No, but we're good. Look behind us. Dang. Okay. I know we're storm chasing, guys. No, we're not taking shelter. We're storm chasing, Bella. What are they doing with buses? The wind's kind of pushing me off course, but what, Bella? No, we're good. There's a cop car right there. What's the cop doing? Whoa. No, it would not. I'll look for the police officer. Huh. Guys, it is what? It is 3-something right now. It looks like
45.
Okay, wait. Okay, go. I don't know.
Like this.
Hold on, I'm gonna make a trip.
Liam, stay in the neighborhood.
I know, we're not going. I'm gonna make this trip home. Come. I win. That was fun. Okay. Okay, come on, Bo. Let's go. So you don't have any money. Bella, you don't have any money though.
I have money.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Bella, they didn't have any Dr. Pepper, remember? They ran out of Dr. Pepper, remember?
I don't care.
So you don't want dots? We have dots at our house. Okay. Things aren't looking that bad right now. Come on, they can stop at Liv's. Bella, come on. Things just got really quiet.
Yeah,
They're still open. Yep. Yeah. What the heck? What the? It just got so... It's so quiet now, except for a few cars. What?